Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your skin just wasn't the same anymore? Thinner, looser, and almost crinkled like delicate tissue paper, especially on your arms, neck, or under your eyes? That's not just normal wrinkling, that's something called crepey skin, and it can make you feel like your skin has aged overnight. The good news is there's a natural 2-minute fix that can make a world of difference, and in today's video, you're going to learn exactly how to do it. We're talking about a simple combination of coconut oil and castor oil, two powerful natural ingredients that can work better than most expensive creams, serums, or treatments when it comes to softening, smoothing, and firming the skin. And here's the best part. It only takes 2 minutes a day. This isn't about masking the problem for a few hours. This is about actually nourishing your skin, restoring hydration, boosting elasticity, and helping it look youthful and healthy again. Before we jump into the step-by-step method, it's important to understand what crepey skin actually is, because once you know the root cause, you'll understand why this routine is so effective. Most people think crepey skin is just another name for wrinkles, but it's not. Wrinkles are lines and folds that form when the skin loses elasticity and is pulled into creases, often caused by repetitive facial movements or aging. Crepey skin, on the other hand, is more about the overall texture. It becomes thin, dry, fragile, and loosely folded, similar to the texture of crepe paper. It often appears in areas where the skin is naturally thinner and more delicate, like the neck, chest, upper arms, eyelids, and the backs of your hands. While wrinkles may be more about muscle movement and repeated expressions, crepey skin is mostly the result of losing two vital proteins in the skin, collagen and elastin, combined with chronic dryness and environmental damage. So, why does crepey skin happen? There are a few main reasons. The first is sun damage. UV rays from the sun break down collagen and elastin in the deeper layers of the skin, and because this damage accumulates over the years, you might not notice it until much later in life. The second reason is simply aging. After the age of around 40, our bodies naturally produce less collagen and elastin each year, so the skin loses its ability to bounce back. The third is dryness. As we get older, our oil glands slow down, meaning the skin produces less of its natural moisturizing oils, which makes it more prone to dehydration and thinning. Add to that lifestyle factors like smoking, poor diet, dehydration, and overuse of harsh skincare products, and you've got the perfect recipe for crepey, fragile skin. Now, you might think the answer is to grab the nearest anti-aging cream from the store, but here's the problem. Most creams and lotions only sit on the surface of your skin. They might make your skin feel softer for a few hours, but they don't penetrate deeply enough to make a real difference in your skin's structure. And worse, some of them are loaded with synthetic fragrances, preservatives, and fillers that can actually irritate sensitive, aging skin. This is where the coconut oil and castor oil method really shines. Both oils are natural, free from harsh chemicals, and rich in nutrients your skin needs. Even more importantly, they can penetrate deeper into the skin layers, delivering hydration, antioxidants, and fatty acids where they're needed most. Let's talk about the first star ingredient, coconut oil. This oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, especially lauric acid, which is famous for its ability to deeply moisturize and strengthen the skin barrier. A healthy skin barrier is like a protective shield that keeps water in and irritants out, and coconut oil helps repair and maintain that shield. It's also naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which means it can calm redness and prevent irritation. On top of that, coconut oil is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage collagen and elastin, speeding up the aging process. When you apply coconut oil to crepey skin, you'll notice an immediate softening effect. But over time, it also helps your skin stay stronger and more resilient. Now, let's talk about the second ingredient, castor oil. While coconut oil works quickly to hydrate and protect, castor oil is like the long-lasting treatment that keeps on working for hours. It's thicker, richer, and contains a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Castor oil not only helps soothe fragile, irritated skin, but it also encourages the production of collagen and elastin in the deeper layers of the skin. That means over time, It can help the skin regain firmness and elasticity, which is exactly what crepey skin needs. Another thing that makes castor oil special is that it's an occlusive oil. It forms a protective barrier on the skin that locks in moisture, preventing it from escaping into the air. This is especially important for aging skin, which loses water more easily than younger skin. When you combine coconut oil and castor oil in the right ratio, you get a perfect balance. Coconut oil sinks in quickly to hydrate and soften, while castor oil stays on the surface to seal in that moisture and provide long-term nourishment. You might be wondering, but won't putting oil on my skin make it greasy or clog my pores? The answer is no, not if you use the right amount and apply it properly. These oils can be used safely on most skin types, and because they're so concentrated, you only need a small amount. The trick is to massage them into clean skin so they absorb instead of just sitting on top. So how exactly do you do the 2-minute fix? Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1, preparation. You'll need pure organic coconut oil and cold-pressed castor oil. Avoid refined or heavily processed versions because they lose many of their beneficial compounds during manufacturing. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with half a teaspoon of castor oil. If your coconut oil is solid, melt it gently by placing the container in a cup of warm water for a few minutes. You want it liquid, but not hot. Step 2, application. Make sure the area you're treating is clean. If you're applying it to your face, remove any makeup and wash with a gentle cleanser. For arms, legs, or neck, just make sure there's no dirt or sweat on the skin. Scoop up a small amount of your oil mixture, just enough to lightly coat the skin. Step 3, the 2-minute massage. This is the key to making the oils work their magic. Using gentle, upward circular motions, massage the oils into your skin. On the face, start from the jawline and work upward toward the cheeks, temples, and forehead. On the neck, use upward strokes from the collarbone toward the jawline. On arms or legs, massage toward the heart to encourage better circulation. These upward motions help counteract the effects of gravity, which naturally pulls the skin downward over time. Massage for the full 2 minutes. This not only helps the oils absorb, but also stimulates blood flow to the area, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. If you're doing this at night, you can leave the oils on overnight for maximum absorption. If you're doing it in the morning, let them sit for a few minutes and then gently blot any excess with a soft cloth so your skin doesn't feel greasy. Now you might think, 2 minutes a day, how can that really change anything? But the secret is consistency. You don't have to spend 30 minutes on your skincare routine every day to see results. You just have to be consistent with the right method. If you make this 2-minute fix part of your daily routine, you'll likely notice softer, smoother skin within a week or two. And over the course of a month, you may start to see a real improvement in firmness and texture. That papery, crepey look can begin to fade, replaced by healthier looking, more hydrated skin. What's happening here is not just surface level hydration. The oils are helping to repair the skin's barrier, boost collagen and elastin production, and protect against further water loss, which means your skin is actually becoming stronger and healthier over time. This is what makes the coconut oil and castor oil method so powerful. It's simple, it's affordable, and it works with your skin, not against it. And remember, this is not a quick, one-time miracle. It's a daily act of care for your skin. When you commit to just 2 minutes a day, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to repair itself and fight the signs of aging naturally. Now that you know exactly how to do the 2-minute coconut oil and castor oil routine, let's go deeper into why it works so well, how to maximize the results, and the mistakes you must avoid to get the fastest transformation. You might be thinking, can 2 oils really do what expensive creams can't? The truth is, yes, and the reason is in the science of how these natural oils interact with your skin. Most creams and lotions you buy in stores are water-based, meaning they contain water, emulsifiers, preservatives, and a mix of ingredients designed to keep them shelf-stable. While they can feel good for a short time, the water evaporates quickly, leaving your skin thirsty again. Oils are different because they are lipid-based, made of fatty acids that are similar to your skin's own natural oils. This allows them to blend seamlessly into your skin's barrier instead of just sitting on top, which means they can seal in moisture, repair tiny cracks in the skin barrier, and feed the cells in deeper layers with nutrients they can actually use. Coconut oil is packed with medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid, which is special because it penetrates deeply into the skin rather than just coating the surface. Once inside, it hydrates, strengthens the barrier, and even reduces protein loss, keeping your skin firm and resilient. It also delivers antioxidants to fight off free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage collagen and elastin over time. Every time you apply coconut oil, you're essentially giving your skin a layer of armor against further breakdown. Castor oil works a bit differently. It's thicker and heavier, which means it stays on the skin longer, locking in the moisture that coconut oil delivers. Its star compound, ricinoleic acid, is a natural anti-inflammatory and healing agent, helping to soothe fragile skin while stimulating fibroblasts, the skin cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Over time, this means the skin can actually regain some of its firmness and bounce. Think of coconut oil as the instant hydration hero and castor oil as the long-term repair specialist. Together, they create a powerhouse treatment for crepey skin. But while the oils themselves are powerful, there are ways to make your results even better. First, apply the mixture after a warm shower. The heat opens up your pores and leaves a thin layer of water on your skin, which the oils can lock in, giving you a double boost of hydration. Second, stay hydrated from the inside out. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily because dehydrated skin is more prone to looking thin and wrinkled. Third, eat foods that support collagen production. Vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges and kiwi, leafy greens packed with antioxidants, and protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and legumes. These give your skin the raw materials it needs to rebuild itself. Fourth, protect your skin from further damage by wearing sunscreen or covering up with light, breathable fabrics when you're outside, because even small amounts of daily sun exposure can speed up collagen breakdown. Gentle exfoliation is another secret weapon. Crepey skin often looks worse because of a buildup of dead skin cells that make the surface appear dull and rough. Once or twice a week, use a soft washcloth or mild scrub to gently remove these cells before applying your oil blend. This allows the oils to penetrate more deeply and gives your skin a smoother texture instantly. Just be careful not to overdo it, as over-exfoliating can make thin skin even more fragile. Now, let's tackle some of the most common questions people have about this method so you can start confidently. Question 1. Can you use this on both the face and body? Absolutely. Anywhere you have crepey skin, this can help. For the face, just use a smaller amount and always apply with upward strokes to lift the skin. Question 2. Will it make my skin greasy or cause breakouts? If you use only a thin layer and massage it in well, your skin should absorb it without feeling oily. If you have acne-prone skin, you might want to start with coconut oil alone, then slowly add castor oil. Question 3. How quickly will I see results? Some people notice softer, smoother skin right after the first use. For visible texture improvement, give it at least 2 to 4 weeks of daily application. Question 4. Can you combine it with other skincare products? Yes. If you use serums or creams, apply those first. Let them absorb, then seal them in with your oil mixture. Question 5. Is it safe for sensitive skin? Both oils are generally safe, but always do a patch test on the inside of your arm and wait 24 hours to make sure you don't react. Question 6. Can I skip days? You can, but remember, the more consistent you are, the better the results. Aim for at least 4 to 5 times a week if you can't do it daily. Question 7. Do I have to keep doing this forever? Like any skincare routine, if you stop, your skin will slowly return to its previous state. Think of it like maintaining your hair or teeth. It works best if you keep it up. Question 8. Can I apply it in the morning before makeup? Yes, but use only a very small amount and give it time to absorb before applying makeup. Question 9. Can I make a batch and store it? Yes. Mix enough for a week and store it in a cool, dry place. If your home is very warm, keep it in the fridge. Question 10. Can I swap these oils for others? You can experiment, but coconut oil and castor oil are especially effective together because they target both instant softness and long-term repair. What's powerful about this method is that it's not just cosmetic, it's functional skincare. You're not just making your skin look better for a few hours, you're strengthening it, nourishing it, and helping it rebuild what it's lost. Over the weeks, as you do your 2-minute massage, you're increasing circulation, which brings oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. You're delivering fatty acids that repair the barrier, antioxidants that protect against damage, and compounds that encourage collagen and elastin production. Each day, you're giving your skin the support it needs to fight back against crepiness. Imagine looking at your arms, neck, or face in the mirror and seeing not just a surface change, but a deeper transformation. Skin that feels denser, firmer, more supple, with that papery texture fading into a smooth, healthy glow. And all it takes is 2 minutes a day. This is what makes it so easy to stick to. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars, and you don't need complicated equipment. You just need 2 simple ingredients, 2 minutes, and the commitment to take care of your skin daily. Here's a bonus tip. If you have extra time once or twice a week, extend your massage to 5 minutes, focusing on areas that need extra help. This can speed up results by further boosting circulation and allowing the oils to work more deeply. You can also warm the oils slightly before application for an even more luxurious treatment. And remember, the goal here isn't perfection, it's progress. Even a small improvement in skin texture and hydration can make you feel more confident and comfortable in your skin. So here's your challenge. Try this every day for 14 days. Take a close-up photo before you start and compare it to a photo at the end. You may be surprised by how much smoother, softer, and healthier your skin looks. And if you're impressed after 2 weeks, imagine the results after a month or 2. If this video has helped you understand how to care for your skin naturally and effectively, go ahead and click the like button. It tells me you want more videos like this. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another natural beauty tip that works. And share this with a friend or family member who might be struggling with crepey skin. They'll thank you for it. Beautiful, youthful skin doesn't always come from expensive jars or high-end treatments. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest, and they might already be sitting in your kitchen right now. 2 minutes a day, 2 natural oils, and the commitment to take care of yourself. That's all it takes to turn back the clock on crepey skin and reveal a smoother, healthier, more confident you.